I guess the latest shopping craze, Amazon return pallets. So I typed in return pallets on Amazon. Let's see here. All of this for $57, an iPad. Looks like a Wi-Fi router. Ooh, a TV. All right, so $57, $9.99. Shipping, only 7 left. And wait a minute. 2 pieces for 57, 1 piece for 39. So I guess these are random. So you may get something that you don't need and may or may not work. That's not a good deal. But let's keep shopping. All right, so this is a company based in the USA, I do believe. So shop at our liquidation outlets or shop in bulk online now. The most amazing shopping experience of your life, really. So the liquidation stores are in Texas and North Carolina. A little bit of a too far of a drive where I live here in Ohio. So to buy a pallet off this company, Quick Lots, minimum ordering $2,500. You have to spend at least that much. Well, if you're going to spend that much, you might as well buy what you need. So you can pick up locally, and looks like they have a local one. Locally, not locally for me, North Carolina. You're welcome to do so for any amount. So let's see, Nordstrom, Target, Amazon, Monster Pallets, sold out. Something like this, you could buy a bunch of pallets. You can open up your own store. Maybe I should open up the Total OS shopping store where everything is guaranteed not to work. I should become a politician. Amazon return pallets. Would you buy one?